Hi, Vieira with stockmarketlive.tv. Today we have here this company that very few are aware of, Kite Pharma. And Kite Pharma is a rare opportunity for investors using artificial intelligence. You find an article on the blog of the company with regards to this matter, as well as you find more. We upgraded this company, Kite Pharma, to strong buy at a price of $45 after the share price collapsed. You have to refer to the fact that, as an example, Goldman Sachs upgraded shares ahead of the crash, and we upgraded Kite Pharma after it crashed. A huge difference. As of today, the fact is that you have live on the tape Kite Pharma at new all-time highs in 2017. So I strongly recommend that you go through the article. I repeat the title, it is here. Kite Pharma, a rare opportunity for investors using artificial intelligence. If you want to know about the price target range for this company, you had to be a subscriber, but you had plenty of time to invest, to buy shares of Kite Pharma. If you did it, I'm referring to this article. It is not from today, so if you bought shares of Kite Pharma, you have a tremendous profit. If you didn't buy shares of Kite Pharma, it is entirely your problem. In that case, you are bankrupt since you went long companies as Under Armour or Foot Locker, following Wall Street advice as Morgan Stanley and others. And in that case, my friends, like I said before, I repeated here thousands of times, you are bankrupt, and it is just a question of time, okay? So congratulations for those that they continue following our complementary guidance in the markets, investing in companies that no one believes in. If you ask once again to Warren Buffett whether he knows Kite Pharma, he does not know Kite Pharma, he never heard about it, okay? He never heard about Kite Pharma, he never heard about Intuitive Surgical. You have it here at $990. Where I repeated here, thousands of times, offering Lamborghinis, offering the Aston Martin, and people, strong buy since $98, and you had, these American scammers as Citron Research, including Goldman Sachs, saying that Intuitive Surgical, it was strong sell, it was going to crash to $200, okay? So the truth is that can be seen always live on the tape. Therefore, as of today, you don't have any risk whatsoever. You have here a stock, Intuitive Surgical, trading above $990. If you want them to sell, you can sell. You have the cash in the bank, the profit, it is always in the bank. But the lesson is always the same, that I repeat here thousands of times. You can ask anyone, including Mr. Warren Buffett, I already explained this. He does not know Kite Pharma, he does not know Intuitive Surgical, he does not know anything other than alcohol, tobacco, and in 2017 he became aware of Apple for the first time in his career, okay? So if you consider that these persons are very good investors, well, I'm not sure, quite frankly. Certainly in the 50s, last century, buying Coke or McDonald's, it would work, okay? Because the Americans, they work, all of them, to become fat. But by becoming fat, also, you have here a tremendous selling short opportunity, which I addressed complementary also on the website of the company, and these are the facts. Downgrading these to strong sell on a multi-year long-term basis, above $700, and today you have Chipotle at $300, okay? And they continue telling you that Chipotle was a terrific investment opportunity, but the truth can be always seen live on the tape, and you have Chipotle at $300, okay? So what Citron Research should have told you about, or Mr. Warren Buffett, was to go short Chipotle, poison. Don't ever let your children eat at Chipotle, instead of selling short Intuitive Surgical, okay? Because if you sold short Chipotle, you are a multi-millionaire, as well as if you invested into Intuitive Surgical, you are a multi-millionaire, not certainly by following their advice that was precisely the contrary, buying or investing in Chipotle and selling short Intuitive Surgical. They have no fucking idea what these companies they do. They never met the management and they have no fucking idea, my friends. So what me to say? That is the reality as it is, okay? So I always have to report to the facts, and the facts are these. All right? Thank you and good luck.